Namaste and greetings from Institute of Hotel Management, Sri Shakti, Hyderabad. My name is Nirupama and today we are going to talk about color, the Pranks color wheel. Color is one of the most important elements in interior decoration. Color can be categorized into primary, secondary and intermediate colors. So the primary colors are red, yellow and blue. These are basic colors which are not made by mixing any colors. Whereas the next set of colors are called as secondary colors or binary colors. Binary colors are made by mixing equal quantities of two primary colors forming a new set of colors. So we have three binary colors. The next set of colors is the intermediate or tertiary colors. These colors are made by mixing equal quantity of a primary color and a secondary color. So we get a set of 6 colors. So 3 primary, 3 binary and 3 tertiary colors, that makes 12 colors in the entire Pranks color wheel. So right now we will go and see how do we make this color wheel in practical. So to start the color wheel, the basic things that we require is watercolor, paintbrush, a foot ruler, pencil, chart paper, and here I have taken a plate to make the round, and we need a saucer for our palette. So here we make a circle and we divide this circle into 12 equal parts. So I have made 12 segments of the Pranks color wheel, and let me number them 1, 2, 11 and 12. The first set of colors is the primary colors, and the primary colors are yellow, red and blue. I will start with yellow at number 1. The next primary color is red, which I am going to place at equal distance in the color wheel. So I will miss 3 colors and choose number 5. The third color will be blue, which I will place at, after leaving 3 segments, and I will place it at 9. All the 3 primary colors are placed at equal distance in the color wheel. So there's a gap of 3, then there's a gap of 3 and then there's a gap of 3. As I said, the 2 primary colors, if mixed in equal parts, will originate a new set of color which is called as the binary or the secondary colors. So if I mix yellow and red, I should get a new color which I will place it in the center. So let us see, when we mix yellow and red, what is the new color that we get? So I have red here and I have yellow here, and I mix. When we mix yellow and blue, we get a new color, and let us see what that color will be. I have blue here, I will mix a little of yellow. So yellow and blue gave me a new set of color which is green, and let me place it right in the center. So it's number 11. Okay, now we are left with the 2 primary colors which is red and blue. So when we mix red and blue, we are going to get a new set of color. A shade of wow. So we have 3 primary colors, yellow, blue and red, and by mixing equal quantities of yellow and red, we got a secondary color which is orange. Yellow and blue gave us green, and red and blue gave us purple. So our primary colors are done, our secondary colors are done. The next set of colors is going to be the tertiary colors or intermediate colors. The third set of colors are the intermediate or the tertiary color. which we obtain by mixing a primary color and a secondary color. So our secondary color is ready, which is green. I will mix some yellow in it and let us see what is the new color going to be. New color. And we got a new color called yellowish green. We have orange and yellow. Orange and yellow will give us a new color, which I will place here in number 2. Our orange is ready here. And my new color is a yellow-orange. When we mix orange and red, we will get a new color, reddish orange. So my orange is here and I mix some red to it. My new tertiary color is orange and red together, reddish orange. We have purple and red. Red and purple together will make reddish purple. So I have my red here and I have my purple here. So this color is going to be called as reddish purple. Now I have blue and I have purple. So blue and purple will give me bluish purple. My purple is here and I add some blue to it. So this color on number 8 is your bluish purple. Now the last set of color, which is green and blue. So blue and green is going to make bluish green. My green is already here. Let me mix a little blue to it. Well, my color wheel is complete. And let us do a recap. The primary colors are yellow, red and blue. The secondary colors are when you mix equal quantities of primary colors, you will get a new set of colors. So when I mixed yellow and red, I got orange. When I mixed blue and red, I got purple. When I mixed blue and yellow, I got green. Then I mixed yellow and orange to get yellowish orange. Red and orange to get reddish orange, purple and red to get reddish purple, blue and purple to get bluish purple, blue and green to get bluish green, yellow and green to get yellowish green. So these are the 12 colors of the Pranks color wheel. Now the blue and the green colors are considered as cool colors, and red and yellow are considered as warm colors. So if you segregate the color wheel like this into 2 halves, all the colors on my left hand side, which has got mostly blue and green, these are called as the cool colors, and all the colors on my right, which has mostly yellows and reds, these are all called as warm colors. Thank you, and next session we are going to talk about the different color schemes using the same Pranks color wheel. So we have completed our color wheel with 12 colors, 3 primary, 3 secondary and 6 intermediate colors. Now, if you segregate the colors into 2 halves on the color wheel, and I try to segregate by cutting a line between the color wheel, all the colors that are on this side, which has got mostly greens and blues, these are called as cool colors, and all the colors which lie on my left hand side, which has got yellow, orange and red, these are called as the warm colors. Next class we are going to talk about the different color schemes using the same color wheel, and we will see that how these colors, which we started with only 3 colors, which is red, yellow and blue, how these 3 colors we made so many colors out of it, and how these colors in different schemes can help us do different interior decoration designs, and we will be benefited out of our study. Hope you enjoyed this session, and next class we will be taking color schemes. Thank you.